Hello community, here is Para with a new haircut, and in today's video I'm about to teach you how to deploy your own meme coin on the EVM based network you want. Basically, DexGenerator, a solution from DexAppBuilder, allows anyone to create their crypto projects basically from scratch, from smart contract deployment to UI design with a simple and amazing tool called DexAppBuilder for no code and low code app development, and you will be able to have your own coin or token after watching this tutorial. We will rely today on the Binance testnet network for this contract deployment. Let's start. First of all, you need to navigate into dexappbuilder.dexkit.com. I will leave you in the comments the link for the platform. Once you are here, you need to connect your wallet in the top. I see MetaMask is here. I will use MetaMask. You can see that this is my wallet connected. I'm in the BNB Smart Chain testnet and I'm about to deploy the ERC20 contract on this testnet. I will do this on testnet because we are trying now a new contract and we recommend that you do the same before deploying this contract on mainnets. So you won't lose any money if you don't like the results of the contract. Let's start. After connected your wallet and choosing the network that you are about to deploy, check that all those networks here are mainnets, but you will be able also to use some testnets as well. We are here on the BNB Smart Chain. We are connected. Now we click there on DexGenerator at the top menu and we click on Deploy Contract. You will see a request of digital signature of our wallet. We sign in and we will check here all the contracts we have available for this purpose. These contracts are provided by a top-notch entity called Fairweb. Fairweb shares on their GitHub a myriad of open source, audited, and secure contracts for open use. We rely on these contracts for development and for UI integration. The contracts you see here are embedded with an UI, so after deploy this, you will be able to manage them with a simple UI or a backend in other terms. Now we will choose the token contract because we are about to deploy a meme coin or a meme token. In this case, we will use this contract. We just click on it. You will see that the contract is loading now and it shows some things to fill. For example, the network. You can see here below some networks that are also enabled. Now let's start with the name of our token. We said that we're about to create a meme coin. I was thinking in something brighty and red and yellow. I will create a meme coin called World Famous Fries because I will try to recreate McDonald's in a Dex aggregator where people can go into there and choose the pairs available and people will be able to buy those random coins and also they will be able to get this coin, the world famous fries. Now we have a name, we wrote a symbol that works an attacker, and now we need a description for our coin. We have one here set for this purpose. You can see here that you have the AI completion button that you can click it, and then if you have some credits like I have now, you can use these options to improve your writing. In all the parts or the sections on DexAppBuilder or DexGenerator where you see this icon, that field can be improved. Now we can generate new text, we can improve, or we can make it better. Let's make it a little better here with fixed spelling, the tastiest and purest token on web. Okay, let's use it. And now we need to put a creator address for this contract. As long as this is a testnet contract, I will use the same address from the connected wallet. Now we need to go to the primary cell recipient. This address will get all the revenues from the token. Every time that the token is sold, this address will get the revenues. And as a recipient address, we can place another address and use it as a platform fee or for another team member of your team that is expecting for some kind of retribution after you deployed your contract or your project. Now we finish everything here. Now we choose an image, click on here. We have the potatoes here. We select it. And now you can see that the deployed contract is now available. Let's click on it. Please wait until the transaction got into your wallet, and then you need to digitally sign and spend the gas in the network. With digitally sign, we just need to wait for a few seconds until the contract is deployed. As we can see, the contract was deployed. We can view the contracts that we have deployed. We can view the contracts on the Explorer. Let's give it a look right now. You can see that the contract was successfully created by my address. It is a token ERC20 contract. It has everything set here. You can see that it's provided by Third Web, as we said. Okay, we have the contract deployed. Now we need to go into the Manage Contract section. As you can see, here's the token that we just created. We see the name of the token with the image, we see the network, we see the description, we see the address for the contract, we can see it in the Explorer again, and we can see the view public page. We can see the public page for this token. Let's click on it and wait a little until it loads. You can see here that we have a model for buy and sell, and it doesn't have any supply because we didn't mint it any yet. This public page can be embedded in your dApp. You can run a token sale from your dApp created on DexAppBuilder and rely on those contracts for a soft and great deployment of your token. Go back a little, and then we are back into the backend or the management section of our contract, and we now are going to have a look into the tabs we have here below. We have the token tab with a mint feature, a burn feature, and the transfer feature. We have a metadata with the name of the contract, the description of the contract, and the picture of the contract. We can change this anytime, but you need to know that every time you change this, you will sign a new transaction in the contract and it will be sent to the blockchain. So the blockchain will reflect the changes and the changes will be reflected here. In the admin section or the admin tab, you can see some things here to fill. You have the admin section where this determines who can grant or revoke roles and modify settings on this contract. This is my address, the address that I use for the contract deployment. You can add more address or leave it as it is if you want to be the only owner of the contract. Minter or creator. Here determines who can mint or create new tokens on this contract. The only address here is my wallet. You can add more as well as we did here. You can click, you can add all the addresses you want if you want to have more minting entities. And transfer determine who can trade tokens on this contract. We will be able to transfer tokens on this contract. Basically, as the creator of the token, the only one that is able to do it is you, and the zero address, that is the minting address. And the metadata, you can add more metadata or more address there in the metadata or another kind of information. We didn't make any change here, so we are going to the token section. Let's mint our first token batch. Shall we? Okay, let's click on the mint button, and now we're about to set how many tokens will be here for our initial supply. This is 8.1 billion. We can send it to another address, or we can just leave it there in the contract. Now we will click on the mint button and it will send the data to the blockchain. We need to confirm in the wallet. Remember that we are using that testnet because we don't want to spend any money here right now. If you are allowing to create your project, please do this first and then use a mainnet for the hard deployment. We minted our first token batch. We have now a supply, an initial supply. Let me try to reload this a little. Let's wait until, okay, you can see we have 8.1 billions. You see that we have our token supply. We can send some tokens to a contract to send to split addresses, or it will be for another purposes as well. As you can see, we created our ERC20 token on Binance Chain, and in the following video, we will use this token we created today to make more integrations with another contracts as well in DexAppBuilder using DexGenerator. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you learned how to create your meme token or meme coin, and keep updated with the following videos, and you will learn to make or create more things with DexAppBuilder. Thank you for your watch and see you next time.